We are finished.
Congratulations!
We are so proud of you. Remember, you're one of the 1%. Very few people
You're
really
killing
make
it.
it to the very end, and you did it.
You're so
You did
awesome.
it. You're the rock star.
Way to go!
We can't wait to see where you end up because you're going to the top.
You are going to the top.
So to kind of go through again, if you just do not remember anything else to help you with this, it's 1 was find, 2 was invite, 3 was present, 4 is follow up, until number 5 they become. So Robbie's got a really cool concept to help you remember these things.
Okay, so let's picture this, okay? So to help you remember all these concepts, it's like a funnel, okay? We're gonna try and find everybody into this funnel, and it doesn't matter.
Trying to get out of the way so
a
she can
little
do
bit.
the funnel.
So we're trying to get everybody into this funnel, and it takes time to build that momentum. Remember, we got to keep expanding that. We have that list. We keep expanding that list. We're gonna pump everybody into this
Dump
funnel.
them into there.
Dump
Dump
them
them
in
in
there.
that funnel.
And it gets into this little cycle, basically. It's from invite, present, and follow up. And then you're gonna keep doing this, and doing this,
Follow.
and doing this, which is moving them from exposure to exposure, exposure to business, okay?
And sometimes they're in there for a couple days, sometimes it could be
Sometimes
a
they
year.
slip right through.
Right.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Right. And after a while, after they've been in the cycle long enough and you've given them enough exposures, they're going to finally sneak down into finally becoming and signing up into your business. Okay? So we have this whole course, which is awesome, which you can refer back to if you have any questions. But always remember, this is the kind of the recruiting process, this funnel, the cycle, and pushing them out to finally becoming and signing up for your team.
You can watch this again and again, but please remember to share it. Share it
Oh,
with those new people when they come down here because,
Totally.
woo! I'm so proud of you.
You've
We
done it.
have
You did
done
it.
it. Yes, way to go.
And lastly, out of anything else, it doesn't matter what's going on. We just want you to remember to love your life.
Remember.
Love your life.